All right, people, this is Chris Sussman, otherwise known as the Barbecue Buddha, and I'm here to break in my new toy, this LoCo 36-inch precision griddle. I can't even say the words, I'm so excited. Precision griddle. There, I finally said it. And what we're gonna do in this video today is I'm simply gonna show you how I'm going to season this griddle. I know it comes in the instructions, but we're gonna give it a little bit of extra Barbecue Buddha magic and show you how I season up this griddle. So let's go along. All right, so the best thing about the LoCo Griddle is it has that precision griddle temperature control. And the way to get access to that is plugging it in. So we're gonna plug this into the wall. Next thing I'm gonna do is gonna make sure the propane tank is on, so there's gas getting to the griddle. Shut these doors, and we're gonna take all of the SmartTemp controls right over here, and we're gonna set them to low. And let's light this baby up. Now, in order to season the griddle, what we need to do is we're gonna set it to the highest setting. We want this flat top griddle to get nice and hot. So let's set it all the way to the sear setting, right down here. Sear, sear, sear. Now we're gonna set a timer for 15 minutes, and when you check back in, we're gonna start seasoning the griddle. See you in 15 minutes. And now we're gonna season this griddle. I've got some vegetable oil in my LoCo squeeze bottle, and we're just gonna get a thin layer of oil spread all across this griddle top. So let's go. I've got my towel, and we're gonna set of tongs, and we're just gonna wipe the surface down. Front and back, nice even strokes. You want to get all of the surface area. Remember, layering the oil down on top of the griddle surface, front and back, inside and out, is what helps weatherproof and rust-proof the griddle top. We're gonna wait for the smoke to burn off, and then we're gonna repeat this process 4 more times for a total of 5 times of seasoning this griddle. So we'll check back once the smoke stops. That first coat is down. As you can see on the griddle top, there's no more smoke. This is nice and hot. It's already starting to take on that dark, shiny color that you want to see from a seasoned griddle. So we're going to apply another layer of that oil, do the same thing. This is the second time. We're going to do it a total of 5 times. I'm not going to keep telling you this for the rest of this video. We'll just show it to you in fast motion. So we'll see you back on the other side of this fast motion musical montage of me seasoning the griddle. Whoop! So we're gonna do the last and final coat. All right, we're on the other side of that fast motion musical montage of me doing the final coats on this griddle top. And look, come in close, Mrs. Buddha, and the camera. Look at this shiny griddle surface on the outside and on the inside. The smoke is just finishing off. That means this is nicely seasoned. We're gonna turn off the heat here in just a minute. We're gonna let this cool down, and it should be ready for our cook. Until I see you again, LoCo Nation, this is the Barbecue Buddha. This is my new LoCo 36-inch precision griddle, and I can't wait to pump out some deliciousness for me and for you. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe and follow.